Do you know many people are having trouble with pairing their headphones to their TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare earbuds. First, remove any protective film from the earbuds and ensure they are clean. Step 2. Use charging case. Place both earbuds back into the charging case and close the lid securely. Step 3. Activate pairing. Open the case again and take out the earbuds, which will automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Step 4. Search on TV. On your TV, go to Bluetooth settings and search for new devices to pair. Step 5. Connect devices. Select Soundcore P30i from the list of available devices on your TV to establish a connection. After these steps, your Soundcore P30i should be successfully connected to your TV. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Soundcore users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.